Welcome to our video. My name is Helmut Schweigart, and in the next few minutes I will explain to you what electrochemical migration is and how it develops. Electrochemical migration, or short ECM, is the most frequently discussed cause for climatic-related field failures. It is a form of corrosion caused by the coincidence of adsorbed moisture films, which are mainly crucial at condensation level, and current. Contamination is able to foster the mechanism in case of hygroscopic behavior, but it is not essential to start the mechanism. ECM results mostly in the permanent fail of assemblies by short circuits effectuated through conductive dendrites. What does ECM mean and how does it work? The mechanism is divided into 3 steps. The first step is the metal dissolution. By the electrolysis of pure, uncontaminated water, which starts at about 1.5 volt, we achieve a strong alkaline condition, which attacks the anode, respectively the power leading contacts. This video sequence shows a real-life example of how the electrolysis forms the alkaline areas and how it spreads out from the anode to the cathode. The Pourbet diagram shows, in this case for example of tin, that the alkaline condition results in a solution of negatively charged hydrostenates. The second step is the ion migration, determined by the concentration of the ions, in this case the hydrostenates. They spread out to those areas where you have an alkaline condition in the water, respectively condensation layer. So the dendrite grows along the concentration gradient, which means that it grows independently from the electrical field along the alkaline areas. The third step is the dendrite growth. Near the cathode, which is represented by the ground potential, we normally have acidic conditions and a high hydronium ion concentration. This reduces the negatively charged migrating ions to positively charged tin ions and deposits them as metal dendrite. So, depending on variations in the condition of the water layer, this finally results in highly conductive bridges. The composition of the bridges varies from pure metal bridges, which show a rather slow growth, to metal oxides, including precipitated metal salts. So, how can we avoid ECM? One option is coating assisted by cleaning. The coating isolates the condensating water from the electrical potential and breaks the mechanism of water electrolysis. Cleanliness is necessary for a sufficient bonding of the coating to the metal surfaces. Otherwise, there would be water condensating beyond the coating and thus a bypass of the protecting effect. Another option is housing and cleaning. Besides the protection against humidity, a well-ventilated housing in combination with non-hygroscopic clean surfaces is also a solution, which should be considered. Let's summarize the last few minutes. Electrochemical migration is an electronic-specific form of corrosion. Trigger for ECM are solely sufficient humidity and current. Contamination will promote and stabilize the water layer, but is not mandatory.